Ay, Julia, yeah. Before doing the movie with Aga, sino o ano ang pagkakakilala mo kay Kuya Aga?
Oh my goodness. Actually, just aside from, you know, he's just one of the best ever that, you know, that we have in Philippine cinema. I think, bago kami sumampa sa set, I really didn't have much expectations. I think ang iniisip ko na lang is, feeling ko seryoso siya, hindi siya maimik, hindi siya masyadong makulit, feeling ko sobra niyang focus lang, parang hindi siya mamamansin, but not in a bad way, pero like more in a way na akala ko lang magiging tahimik siya. And then to my surprise, that when we started shooting, siya pa yung excited sa mga kanta, sa mga re-record namin. When we have a lot of singers on the set, pinapakanta niya lahat, so na nagiging parang karaoke session. He's dancing every day, he's laughing every day, sharing funny stories every day. So it was quite to my surprise, but so pleasantly surprised. So I'm so happy that I was able to get to know that side of Kuya Aga. Of course, so much respect for him.